This is just a quick tip for if you're ever replacing your cabin air filter. Euro Parts has a great video that shows you how to do this, and so while I debated doing one of my own, I just figure I leave that video up to them. But one thing they don't mention is when you're doing this, you already have the glove box off. So one thing that's a good idea to do, let's see if I can get the light to kind of cooperate, is to just peel back this carpet a little bit and clear out the AC drain. Now, all it is just a hose right here that you just simply pull it off that white plastic part. Come on, light. There we go. And just pull this line off and blow a little bit of compressed air through here. This is the one on the passenger side. There's an identical one on the driver's side if you want to go that far. But at the very least, when you're changing the cabin air filter, clean out one of the AC drains just for good measure. All right, let's see what kind of nastiness has been living inside of here. All right, not too bad. Nothing really out of the ordinary aside from water, but it's a good idea to do that so that way they don't get clogged. And all I'm using is just a can of compressed air. If you have a shop and an air compressor, obviously that's better, but just blow some air through the lines. You can blow some back up towards the filter and keep those drains fresh, because you would not want those to get clogged and start flooding your interior, etc. So hope that little tip helped. Thank you guys for watching.